Jeg er næsten vågen, hvor sikkert nonsense for mig sandt på. Let's get started.
Notes. Don't forget notes. Kasi vlog when it uploads it after episode. Godmorgen. Altid.
Hvad?
Altid.
Tisses ikke?
Altid. So let's upload the video from yesterday. Okay, vlog YouTube mukusqamaqto. Link it singitut ikkusuuserpuamma. Mainuit malunganiarnawa ajorunarpat, but putting stuff on YouTube, it's a lot of work. So there's a description link it. Nipilersuutorsmuukku NCS mingaannersut no copyright sounds. If you must use our music, you must. In the description of your video, stating the music was provided by NCS. NCS mingaannernaarlugu. Link it. YouTube mingaannersut ilangullugu to the track. Nipilersuutitaana. Sanannittorlu social network links tamasa ikkussutariarsuut. So that's a lot of work. Imangitto. Katitipallunaarluun nipilersuutiminalaarlaarla naallaraarluni ikkutinaqaluun. But that's not it. It's a lot of work. Plants. Ananashemi I don't know. Meet the rain. Hello Johnny. Digitaal. Oh.
Digitaal zijn ze dan niet goed.
So we needed something different. Chicken Milano. We got something different. Something different. I'll show myself out. Should not be one, Good question.
Good question.
What do you always?
What am I not doing to it?
What am I not doing? think that's about it.
Yeah.
Tak for det.
Tak for i dag.
The 30-minute walk. Yay! Hey! Pick up. Excellent. Lumikku suliner aerpallaangila. Suussaaleриунга. But I got to do a lot of stuff. Usi hard disk out today, but so I got literally no room for making more vlogs, so we need to fix that. Mani inimi wo and if you can see this pile of shit, mani you can see this dark spot. We'll focus it. So let's do something about that. Vlog allartikakku ismaarsimaarpa piaarsmallua. But in fact, I wasn't. Ipassamut vlog malunginiaaqarlunga misiilerama I wasn't talking enough. Ta'attat ullunaanerani maani here. Atta I said something iluamik oqalulerama, and that was kind of a mistake. I think I have to be more fearless. Making this vlog to make it happen. So we learned something today. More speakings, more talks. I can punch you in the face with it. And we learned the fuck am I talking? So we really had fun today, training it out, and I fixed the hard disk so we can make vlogs more. So and I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful for your time. For this, I'm very, very grateful. And as always, I will see you in the next video.